Hey everybody!
Hello,
I'm Yogi.
I'm Carrie, and this is
Cheese of the Week.
Cheese of the Week because it's Thursday. Every Thursday we bring you an exciting, delicious, sometimes new cheese to upscale and up-delicious your keto life, because sometimes all you need to bring in a bit of variety is to change up your cheese.
Is it Thursday? Maybe it's Thursday. Yeah, okay, it's Thursday.
Today we have red apple cheese.
We've had quite a bit of red apple cheese, and they seem to specialize in smoked cheeses.
There are no apples harmed in the making of this cheese. This is smoked mozzarella. Now, I love smoked cheese. He loves smoked cheese. And I've had lots of smoked cheeses, but I've never had smoked mozzarella. So when I saw this in the store, I was super excited, because normally the cheeses we've had that are smoked are kind of like that. They're on the harder end. And
Gouda,
mozzarella
cheddar.
is not a hard cheese. So this is smoked with apple and hardwood. It's crafted in Wisconsin.
Oh my.
And
At least this cheese knows where it's from.
a bit lower in fat, 7 grams, less than a gram, carbs, protein, 6 grams. So this is actually almost your perfect ketogenic cheese, because there's almost exactly the same amount of protein to fat. So if you care about macros in that way, oh, that was completely ineffective. Oh, that was better.
This is probably the most entertaining part of the show, unless we don't like the cheese.
Then it can get
Quite entertaining.
entertaining. I'm nearly there, Yogi. I'm nearly there, Yogi.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Please entertain our lovely viewers while I
So,
wrangle the cheese.
most mozzarella you find at the store nowadays you'll see is like skim milk mozzarella. It's hard to find like a whole milk mozzarella anymore. And this one actually appears to be a whole milk mozzarella, which is pretty nice. Mozzarella can be a little difficult to smoke unless you're cold smoking, and that knife is heading right toward my head.
Oh, ye of little faith.
Yeah.
Okay, so shall we try it? Or would you like to
Sure.
carry on with your mozzarella-y story?
No. Let's go ahead
Okay,
and
you're
try.
done?
I'm ready to try some cheese.
Voila, which
All
is spelt V-O-I-L-A. In case you're wondering, it seems
Viola.
it seems to be a thing that voila, V-O-I, sorry, V-O-I, not V-I-O,
Viola.
which would be viola, V-O-I, voila. A lot of Americans seem to be very confused about how to spell voila. So I thought, since that came up, V-O-I-L-A. How's the cheese?
It's a very, very, very mild flavor.
Yeah, it really is.
You get a bit of smoke to it. There's not really a whole lot coming from this cheese,
No.
though. I'd have to say, out of all the red apple cheeses that we have tried, not really my favorite. But then again, mozzarella in general doesn't have a whole lot of hard flavor to it. So,
Do you think, Yogi Parker, that if we use this to melt on something, because mozzarella is very good at melting on things, do you think we would get a bit more of the...
yeah, this is definitely...
Because it's definitely smoked.
It's definitely smoked, and I think this, if you were interested in making like a really different pizza, a keto pizza, and you wanted to do like, let's say, a smoked brisket pizza, this would be an excellent cheese to use to melt over there to add to that smoked flavor throughout the pizza.
It's definitely smoked, but it's not. I like it.
Yeah.
And actually, you can probably see, it's a much firmer texture than most mozzarellas. So actually,
It's probably
you could slice this and eat this. I mean, this would go great on crackers. You can hold it up. You can, which like most mozzarellas, you can't.
You know, it'd be awesome on a burger too. Melt it onto a burger.
This would be great on a burger. Or in your Fox Hill buns to make a toasted cheese like I did the other day. We'll link below to the video I made about making grilled cheese.
You could use the Fox Hill buns to, you have an article on the blog about using Fox Hill buns to make little mini pizzas. And this would be
really good.
if you were to do like a barbecue chicken style pizza with bacon and chicken and maybe some alternate sweets barbecue sauce. Name drop.
Or my barbecue sauce. There's a free recipe on the blog.
Yeah. But this would be a really awesome cheese for some sort of application like that.
This is growing on me.
It is.
That second piece I liked a lot more than the first piece. I really like this.
Because of the mild flavor of the mozzarella though, that smoke really does stand out. It really does.
I really like this. I'm a fan.
I would definitely
go mozzarella. Go smoking.
I would definitely want to use this in something to try it out.
If I don't eat it first, you can.
Yeah, it's good to eat straight up too.
All right, there we go, people. Find yourself some apple smoked mozzarella cheese because it's delicious. Slice it and eat it. Put it on your keto crackers.
I don't know what this show has become nowadays.
Crackers, or slice it, melt it on a burger, or use it on a pizza, and you will be happy. You will up your keto delicious right there just by changing your cheese. We love you. See you next Thursday.
Have a good one.
See ya.
See ya.